はい、では、アート&クリ
So this is session 3 of Art and Creativity. What is written in the program is very easy to understand. However, we will be this actually just looks at a very small portion of what should be discussed. Using genetic engineering, we can even create life now. So people mimic life, and Art Nouveau also depicted flowers and bugs, and that was incorporated into designs. But now we can even design humans. So that is the area I would like to focus on, and that's what's written in the program here. And how will that affect our lifestyle? We say here that the sensational visions will be discussed here, but that may be saying a bit too much. But we now have a very different kind of science and technology that is being created. So here in this session, we have the keynote speaker for the first day, Oren Katz, and also Dr. Jessica Green, who spoke in the afternoon. We will have them also come up to look at these advanced state-of-the-art technology, how that will change design and our daily lives.